Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we just had the rate decision out of the ECB. They lowered their interest rate by 15 basis points, and they reduced their deposit rate to negative 0.1%. So basically, if you want to deposit money with them, you're going to have to pay them instead of them paying you interest, which should be a interesting dynamic in some academic economics vacuum, but we'll see how that actually plays out. So Draghi has a press conference at 8:30, and we'll see what he has to say. As for what we know, which is price, we popped up as high as 1929.5. I see a 1930 print in our future. The 1924 area, which was my upper level from yesterday, we saw two things yesterday. You saw the 1916 area, which was the prior day low, become matching lows with yesterday at 16. You've also got the weekly pivot that's just tucked underneath there at 1915.90. That created a floor, and that floor was walked up all day long. And you're seeing a continuation of that strength this morning. The reaction low from the ECB decision was 24. That was our upper level from yesterday. So that was something. It was nice for us to lean on yesterday. It was nice for us to lean on this morning. So we are, we're long and comfortable. We're starting to take, we took some profits this morning. We have runners on that are in profit. But from my perspective, until 24 gets broken, you're not going to see any kind of a down move in earnest, and you're not going to see any kind of a true push back to 1900 until you get through 1916. So 1924, 1916, and then we'll have to see. Now, you can see the upper band has started to run away from price. It's 1937.38. What has happened here is you've seen 3 days of consolidation without touching the consolidation creates kind of a gap between the band and price. So it can do one of two things. Either what we're seeing right now is a reaction high that's going to allow us to get back through 28 and 16. Or we're seeing what is kind of, it's not a flag. It's just not a flag. It might be on shorter time frames, but it's not on the daily. That is going to break out and touch this upper band at 37.38. I will tell you this. I don't have numbers above 39, and at that point we are in a stretch to overbought position from the 45-day pivot, and at that point, if you've been long, you really need to think about taking some fairly serious profits, and understanding that every tick you get above there is pretty much gravy above 39. So that's how we're playing it this morning. We're long, we're in profit, so we're in free ride, and we're waiting on the press conference. So 24, 16, very big areas on the downside. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come take a 2-week trial. Come trade this stuff with us. Most people that do end up sticking around, and it's a fun group, and it's a very focused group. And I think you'll like it a lot. So come take a look. I will talk to everybody tomorrow morning. Trade them well.